Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, Ighodaro, uChesleti, uShinga potentially khona esizombona edlala phakathi kwabo kusasa or ebhenjini because they're ready to play. Ezinye iy'ndaba-ke engizozikhava kule clip lena bafethu ukuthi kunama-player alimele laphana Kaizer Chiefs, amanye awekho available. So uMarco again bafethu injured again, uMarco olimele akekho available ku-game against i-team yase-Angola. NoNdlovu akekho available ngoba ulimele bafethu. uMayoka akekho available because yena-ke azange arejistwa eKaizer Chiefs. And then ika-assistant coach uCedric eKaizer Chiefs ibuziwe-ke lapha nama-journalist namhlanje ukuthi awufili ngathi umphitreyile na ucoach Nabi ngoba ucoach Nabi akekho, nina naku nibhizi niyacoacha nicoach iKaizer Chiefs. Ama-journalist abuze lokho-ke, but-ke wena waphendula washo ukuthi uyidojile i-question, uvele wathi sekunesikhathi asebenza nocoach Nabi iminyaka, so nje bane-good working relationship. Washa wacima, uzamile ukuchaza nje ukuyibalekela leyo question. But asingeneni kuMarco, siqale ngoMarco bafethu noNdlovu. uNdlovu-ke i-setback yakhe ukuthi angeke abe available bafethu, umuntu bebamnile in terms of i-depth laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. uMarco again bafethu, second injury yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs in a space of couple of weeks, because ngoJuly akahambanga ne-team ki-Netherlands. But-ke at the end of the day sometimes mhlawumbe ibhadi bafethu asazi, or naye akaphathi kahle outside, or sometimes i-knock, kuyenzeka. Singamblame umfethu kumblame, but-ke I mean thola ukuthi i-injury elegit, ikhona izinto angeke akwazi ukuzistopha, but-ke kazi i-injury enjani njengoba akekho available uMarco again. uNdlovu, will he be missed laphana ku-midfielder or kanjani? Enye question ukuthi uMaboy bamrejistile na ku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-continental level ngoba naye uyajima, naye ufit, angakwazi ukudlala. So sobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani. But-ke asingeneni kulama-player lawa ayi-3 bafethu amasha angakadlali, u-Ighodaro, uChesleti, uShinga. After i-public outcry from ama-fans bebuza ukuthi hayi bo labantu abakadlali nokudlala, ngapha khona abantu aba-underperformayo, kwenzakalani ngempela? iKaizer Chiefs ayichaze, kuze kwabuzwa na-assistant coach yabo bafethu ukuthi why angadlali amajita. But-ke o-coach bachaza overall ukuthi okay, isikhathi esi-perfect sizoba khona for bona ukuthi badlale. Kwasha kwacima, but ya kanje kunjalo-ke bafethu. So umuntu esengifuna ukuqala ngaye bafethu ulokhunjana u-Ighodaro, i-striker lesi bafethu. Ngikhulume ngaye a few days back ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs bangamdinga ngempela kule game le if bamrejistile laphana ku-CAF. If uzoba 100% fit or fit ishinyana ukuthi abanike at least i-45 minutes sibone ukuthi angenzani. I-striker lesi bafethu esingaba nike advantage because unomzimba, une-physique, une-power, i-movement yakhe i-good inside the box, ukwazi ukuheader, une-pace, unayo yonke into. I-aggression ibalulekile because i-Angolan defense i-prioritizer ini i-aggression, badlala ngokuqina nangenkani. Kaizer Chiefs obviously-ke they lack i-consistency in terms of ukuthatha ama-chances wabo laphana phambili. Ighodaro uprovile laphana ko-SuperSport United, kwaMaZulu, kuphi nako-Chippa United ukuthi uyalishaya inet, akadlali ngempela. Sibone ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs, sobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs uzobalethelani if kungenzeka abe khona. Kaizer Chiefs i-desperate for amagoli kusasa because kumele at least bashaye amagoli awu-2 ukuthi babe ne-chance ukuthi ba-progress to the next stage of the competition. Ighodaro angabalethela leyo nto leyo, i-aggression ne-power laphana nje forward overall. Umdlali obaluleke kakhulu to i-model, i-game model eKaizer Chiefs especially ku-continental level because aggressive bafethu. Also inclusion yakhe laphana esquadini seKaizer Chiefs, I mean kuzoba favor ukuthi possibly babuye egamini. But-ke i-risk nayo, i-fitness level yakhe ne-chemistry ne-team overall. I-fitness level yakhe ayikakafiki at the peak obviously, ne-game fit, ne-match fitness. So kuzoba i-risk enkulu kuvele nje bamphosele ku-deep end. But-ke sometimes kuthiwa desperation times call for desperate measures. Sometimes you just have to take a risk, not for 90 minutes, for a couple of minutes, maybe umnike last 20 minutes umbone ukuthi angenzani. Uye umdlali esingakwazi umbona because ufit naye sekayajima ne-team. Omunye umdlali potentially-ke esingambona u-Ethan Chesleti bafethu, umdlali abamsayine laphana elokhunjana eNgilandi. Umuntu oyi-creative midfielder laphana bafethu, o-sharp brains obviously-ke naye properly developed because udevelopwe laphana e-England. Ability yakhe good pass of the ball ebholeni lase-England. Asazi-ke ebholeni lase-Africa in terms of i-aggression ukuthi uzokwazi uku-adaptha noku-excela ebholeni lase-Africa. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla umfowethu ukuthi akwazi uku-adaptha, akwazi ukuba right nje overall laphana, because kunzima kakhulu bafowethu ebholeni lase-South Africa or ku-continental level. The aggression is ×2 ke ku-continental level. So imagine iscenario la i-Kaizer Chiefs in a creative midfielder. Kaizer Chiefs ama-midfielders wakhona awashaya epalini. Angimboni lo ama-midfielders in fact wonke angimboni. Hayibo, awubani i-midfielder umdu akashaya epalini, noma ngabamba ibhola kuphi akashaya epalini. uCheslett into abalethela yona different ukuthi uyakwazi ukushaya out of 18 area, so that's what they need. Omdu noma kuthiwa isikhala abanaso uzoshayela iy'tayela afuna ukuphasa abanye than just to commit azame ukushaya lelo shot lelo straight to the post, abone ukuthi kungenzakalani. But-ke abakwenzi lokho. uCheslett uyakwazi uwashaya amagoli ekude. So I mean sobona ukuthi uCheslett uzoyithola opportunity yokudlala possibly the toughest game of the season because they have to score more goals. Imagine awudlalanga ama-game wonke but-ke they throw you ku-deep end straight la kumele uperform. But yeah, I think it's going to be very difficult for them ukuthi badlalise uCheslett ku-game of that magnitude and ne-aggression edingekayo overall. Then umuntu esingambheka uShinga ukuthi angabalethelani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yena uShinga bafethu siyamazi ukuthi uyilokhu njani, uyi-left back. Uletha ispeed. Number one, uShinga uletha ispeed laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. U-fearless laphana ukuya phambili. U-hungry uShinga, une-energy, u-direct futhi u-unpredictable. I-left back engaba i-wing back engaba offensive. Sibonile i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi badlala i-formation enjani against iMarumo Gallants. La uMarco bekhona ku-wing back angaba perfect uShinga, even bangamdrifta to i-midfielder. Angaba perfect khona because uyathanda futhi ukuya phambili ukuthi a-contribute. Une-speed, angakwazi ukunika i-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela leyo depth abayidinga inside the field of play, nanokuthi uyakwazi ukukhava ama-different distance laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Energy yakhe ingaba important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean akakadlali uShinga, kumele approve ipoint ngempela ukuthi why beningihlalise ebhentshini isikhathi esingaka. Mangakwazi ukuthola opportunity mhlambe kusasa bamnike laphana ukuthi adlale naye, kumele all out ukuthi aziprove ukuthi uyadeserve naye ukubhekwa, not to overlook him, ukubhekwa ukuthi hayi man ukhona uShinga angayenza lento noma angazenza izinto zenzeke overall. So i-Kaizer Chiefs ke bafethu technically noma ngithi technical team yakhona, ama-tactics wakhona awafani. This game bane-approach le, next game bane-approach le, futhi baba confused-ke njengoba sebaqala ukuluza bafethu because that was the first time ngibona badlala like abantu beba-attacker bebawu-3 laphana first half. It was uDupreez, uSirino and then bekunobani lo munye, uMayo kuphela. Laba abanye akusiyo ama-attackers, abekho mobile in terms of going forward. So be interesting ukuthi bazofaka ama-attacker ungakhi because bayawadinga ngempela amagoli bafethu. Hhayi into yokudlala akudlalwa this time around, they need amagoli ukuthi bakwazi uku-equalize. They have to score at least igoli first half. They have to really try and go all out bafethu ukuthi bakwazi ukukora amagoli. First half they have to score, like they have no excuse. First half they have to score. But-ke sobona ukuthi bazokwazi na ukukora kuleyo first half yakhona ngoba bayazi nabo ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi balishaye igoli. So bazoqalisa obani laphana phambili and then i-game as the game progresses kuzoba obani abadlalayo if they don't get, let's say, igoli first half, because they'll be under pressure ke second half ukuthi balithole igoli. But I mean banayo i-firepower laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, banabo abantu potential abangaba-deliver ama-results abanga-change laphana i-scoreboard ukuthi sibafave. Bangakwazi ukushaya 2 goals i-first half if bangamisela, because at the end of the day ukumisela bafethu inside the field of play, you are given a chance to play, to perform for the team. It's up to you ukuthi wena ufunani as an individual, ufuna ukudeliver kanjani. Abantu abanikwe i-opportunity yokudlala, they have to be hungry, they have to do it for the fans. I mean the fans will be there, the fans will try to say okay, we are here in terms of like aiding the support to the players. It's so now it would really be up to the players to perform for the fans and to make the fans happy at the end of the day bafowethu. I mean it's sad, obviously it's very sad ukuthi ulona abanye abadlali abekho available ukuthi umayo obvious abamregistanga because ufike after ukuthi ulimele futhi ulokhunjani uMako. But-ke laba abakhona abanayo excuse, kumele they have to pick up the socks bakwazi ukuyolwela i-team cause asikho ngempela isikhathi sokudlala bafowethu. They have to fight tomorrow. Nabo-goalkeeper bakhona, they at least they have to say okay, noma kwenzakalani let's try not to concede, cause ba-concede abazobhekana nenkinga enkulu bafowethu because now they have to chase their game-ke manje bagijimisa 3 goals. It's not easy ukukora 3 goals, bazoyithathaphi 3 goals? Kumele ba-make sure ukuthi okay abakhonsidi yeah man, bangakhonsidi especially first half. Bona-ke uma bangashaya 2 goals-ke noma sebangakhonsidi abazi ukuthi they're chasing igame ngegoli elilodwa kuphela, not ukuthi babe semuva kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, it's gonna be a great game. Let's hope i-defense yakhona izoba super solid, ngeke yenze amaphutha because hey siyabazi ngamaphutha abafowethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi there's miscommunication. Asisho ukuthi aba-communicate, bona bayakwazi ukukhavelana lapho nalapho, but there's no room for amaphutha kugame yakusasa. There's really no room for amaphutha. They have to bring it for the team, for the fans, and obviously bekune-excitement enkulu bafethu from i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs may qualify for i-2 or for i-CAF football, ba-excited kakhulu ukuthi okay finally they are back. Bazokwazi ukulwela laphana noma ukulwela i-team and then to put Kaizer Chiefs again on the global map, because the continental level it offers that ukuthi if you are on the continental stage umhlaba wonke ubhekile, because baningi-ke manje abantu they pay attention to i-African football. Overall-ke sokulele kubo Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bona badlala kanjani overall. Ighodaro, is he ready? I mean, low question izo-answerwa i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs nakusasa ukuthi sobona is he ready at least to play for 10 minutes or so, not isikhathi eside nje lawo ma-minutes a-few. Is he ready to bring it for Kaizer Chiefs? Or if bayamfaka bazobe bamrasha. Abo-Silva bona bathini? Because o-Silva nabo they have to bring it. Given an opportunity to play, they have to bring it, because Kaizer Chiefs obvious last game iqale ngoMayo laphana ku-striking department. This time around because uMayo akekho available, so kumele baqale ngesinye strike. If baqala lese ngoshinga, ushinga uzokwazi na ukulokhunjani ukubadili. No man, sengithi ushinga uSilva, if baqala ngoSilva, uSilva uzokwazi ukubadilivela na? Those are the questions that Kaizer Chiefs players need to ask, especially tomorrow, because tomorrow it's not gonna be easy, it's gonna be hard, but they really need lokhunjana results, they really need goal. Before ngivala bafethu, umbuzo wami ukuthi do you guys believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukukora boma 2 or 3 goals kusasa ingakhonsidi na? Cause kumele ikore, mayishaya 2 goals kumele ingakhonsidi ukuthi ikwazi uku-advance kahle nje without hesitation, without inkulumo, ikwazi nje ukuzi-advancela kahle to the next stage of the competition. But yeah, konke kulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sibafisela inhlanhla laphana e-FNB. Home advantage. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.